The 10 habits you should adopt after 40, focusing on muscle gain and hypertrophy. Habit number 1 can significantly boost your gains, so stay until the end to find out what it is. And don't forget, I will give a valuable tip at the end of this video that can accelerate your results. Number 10. Foods rich in polyphenols. Polyphenols are natural compounds found abundantly in plant foods, and their antioxidant properties play an essential role in protecting the body against oxidative stress, which is especially common in older men. Although the importance of polyphenols is well recognized, many people are still unaware of which foods are particularly rich in these compounds and how they can benefit health. Including these polyphenols in your diet is quite easy. Just add foods like apples, red onions, and cocoa to your daily intake. Additionally, teas like hibiscus and green tea are great sources of polyphenols, providing a significant antioxidant boost to your body. These foods not only help combat oxidative stress, but can also contribute to cardiovascular health, improve metabolism, and even benefit cognitive function. Polyphenols have been shown to improve heart health, reduce blood pressure, and support endothelial function, which is crucial for vascular health. A study conducted in the United States found that regular intake of polyphenols can help reduce chronic inflammation, a common issue in individuals who have been training for over 3 years due to ongoing muscle stress. Additionally, research indicates that polyphenols may help prevent diseases like type 2 diabetes and improve bone density, essential aspects as you age. Therefore, incorporating these foods into your diet is vital for optimizing your health and muscle gains. Number 9. Fermented foods. Fermented foods are often underrated, but they offer a range of benefits that go far beyond simple digestion. They play a crucial role in maintaining gut health and can positively impact other aspects of health, which becomes increasingly important as we age. Foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir are excellent sources of probiotics, which can help your body recover more quickly after workouts at the gym. These fermented foods help balance the gut microbiota, which can lead to better nutrient absorption and a reduction in inflammation. Gut health is fundamental for overall well-being, and a balanced microbiota contributes to a stronger immune response and a more efficient metabolism, allowing your body to better absorb the nutrients you consume in meals. Recent studies conducted in the United States have shown that probiotics have significant potential to improve mental health and cognitive function. A recent study revealed that a healthy gut microbiota can positively impact mental health, helping to prevent age-related cognitive decline. Additionally, a healthy microbiota can reduce the risk of metabolic and cardiovascular diseases, providing extra support for long-term health. Therefore, it is crucial that you utilize probiotics, whether through fermented foods or supplements. And what about you? Do you already use them? Leave your answers in the comments. Number 8. Omega-7. While omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are widely recognized for their health benefits, omega-7 fatty acids are less known but offer significant benefits that can surprisingly help improve your muscle gains. Did you know these fatty acids can positively impact your health without you even noticing? Let me explain. Omega-7 fatty acids can be found in foods like sea buckthorn oil and in some nuts, such as macadamia nuts. These fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties and can help regulate blood glucose and lipid levels, which is essential for metabolic health. Incorporating them into your diet can not only improve your overall well-being, but also facilitate your efforts to gain muscle. In addition to their anti-inflammatory effects, omega-7 fatty acids can help improve liver health and reduce liver fat, which is very common in men over 40. Studies on omega-7 have shown that it can aid in preventing insulin resistance and reducing inflammation markers. These benefits are particularly relevant for men over 40, who may be more susceptible to metabolic conditions due to aging. Number 7. Foods rich in sulfites. Sulfur compounds easily found in certain vegetables play a crucial role in detoxifying the body and protecting cells against oxidative stress. You can find these compounds in foods like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and garlic, all rich in beneficial substances. These vegetables assist in liver detoxification, promoting effective internal cleansing and protecting the body against cellular damage. Incorporating these foods into your diet can offer an additional defense against inflammation and oxidative stress, which can be harmful, especially as you age. In addition to their detoxifying properties, sulfur compounds offer benefits that go far beyond. They can help improve cardiovascular health and strengthen immune function. Studies show that allicin, an active compound found in garlic, can reduce blood pressure and improve artery health, contributing to more efficient circulation in your body and, consequently, aiding in muscle gain. These compounds also have the potential to prevent chronic diseases, such as cancer and heart disease, providing an extra layer of protection to the body. Incorporating these foods into your diet is not only essential for muscle gain, but also crucial for your overall health. So, start adding broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and garlic to your meals and experience the benefits they can bring to your life. Number 6. Include lignans in your diet. Lignans are phytoestrogens found in plant foods and can have significant beneficial effects on hormonal and cardiovascular health, especially after age 40. Therefore, it is essential to incorporate these foods into your diet. Flax seeds are one of the most concentrated sources of lignans, but they can also be found in whole grains and vegetables like carrots and kale. Lignans help regulate hormonal levels and provide additional support for cardiovascular health. In addition to helping with hormonal regulation, lignans have shown potential to improve prostate health and reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers, which are quite common in men over 40. Research conducted in the United States shows that a diet rich in lignans can reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Studies indicate that lignans can improve lipid profiles and arterial function, contributing to the prevention of heart disease, as well as aiding performance in cardiovascular workouts like cardio. Number 5. Foods rich in astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is a powerful carotenoid found in certain marine foods, with exceptional antioxidant properties for your body. Astaxanthin is primarily found in foods like salmon, shrimp, and other seafood, which are easily available in supermarkets in the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. This carotenoid has antioxidant properties that surpass those of common antioxidants in efficacy, offering significant protection against oxidative stress. In addition to combating oxidative stress, astaxanthin can help improve eye health and cognitive function, contributing to greater mental clarity during workouts. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and stay until the end, because habit number 1 is one of the most important and can help you gain more mass in just a few days by following these tips. Number 4. Betal Lanes. Betal Lanes are pigments found in beets and other colorful vegetables with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties for your body. Beetroot is the most well-known source of Betal Lanes, but other vegetables, such as Swiss chard, also contain these pigments. Betal Lanes help protect cells against oxidative stress and have significant anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, Betal Lanes can contribute to liver health and improve your body's cardiovascular function, which plays a crucial role in muscle gain after age 40. Studies conducted in the United States have shown that Betal Lanes can surprisingly help reduce blood pressure and improve artery health. Furthermore, these pigments can provide support for liver function, contributing to more efficient detoxification, especially during periods of more restrictive dieting for hypertrophy. Including this compound in your daily routine can further enhance your cardiovascular health. Number 3. Polyamines. Polyamines are compounds found in certain foods that can provide significant benefits for metabolic health. These compounds can be easily found in mushrooms like shiitake and maitake, which are rich in polyamines. Additionally, legumes such as chickpeas and lentils also contain these beneficial substances. Polyamines have properties that help regulate metabolism and promote overall health, providing extra support for your body to better absorb nutrients. Moreover, polyamines can help improve immune function and regulate metabolism consistently. Studies show that these compounds have a positive impact on blood sugar regulation and the prevention of metabolic diseases. Therefore, incorporating foods rich in polyamines can provide an additional advantage for metabolic health and help prevent age-related conditions, especially when metabolism starts to slow down with advancing years. Number 2. Tyrosine. Tyrosine is an amino acid that plays a crucial role in brain function and mood regulation. Remember that mental health should be monitored more closely as you age, especially when it comes to muscle and mass gains. Mental health is key to this, and you should consume some well-known foods for US Americans and others too, such as chicken breast, fish, and dairy products, which are good sources of tyrosine. This amino acid is essential for neurotransmitter production and can help improve cognitive function and emotional well-being throughout the day, contributing to your mental health. In addition to supporting brain function, tyrosine can help improve stress response and mental health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicated that tyrosine can enhance cognition and mood, especially in stressful situations. This can be particularly useful if you are on a very restricted diet, where stress and low mood are constant due to lack of food, or if you practice intermittent fasting, which increases the importance of maintaining a stable mood during long hours without eating. These compounds can help improve your mood. Number 1. Polysaccharides. This is a compound that should not be missing from your diet. Polysaccharides are complex carbohydrates found in certain foods that can have significant effects on immune health, protecting your body against diseases, especially when you are in a phase of rapid volume gain. You can easily find this compound by consuming mushrooms like shiitake and maitake, as well as seaweed, which are excellent sources of polysaccharides. These foods have immunomodulatory properties and can help strengthen the immune system. Additionally, polysaccharides can help regulate the immune system and improve the body's response to infections. If you are over 40, adopting proper dietary habits in your diet can further enhance your muscle gains and overall health. Incorporating foods rich in polyphenols, fermented foods, omega-7 fatty acids, sulfur compounds, lignans, astaxanthin, Betal Lanes, polyamines, tyrosine, and polysaccharides can transform your health in innovative and effective ways. Now, leave me your comment in the video about which compound caught your attention the most and which one you will start using today to improve your gains. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos, or click on the video that is appearing on the screen to continue watching. Thank you for watching.